Welcome. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of maintaining a positive experience on Pinterest, reporting comments and blocking users. If you've encountered inappropriate or harmful comments on your pins, it's essential to know how to take action. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to report a comment on a pin while blocking the user, ensuring your Pinterest experience remains enjoyable and safe. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page filled with inspiring content. From here, find the pin that contains the comment you want to report. You can scroll through your feed or use the search function to locate it quickly. Once you've found the pin, tap on it to open its details. This will display all related information, including any comments left by users. Next, look for the comments section and click on it to view all comments associated with that pin. Now, browse through the comments until you find the specific one you wish to report. When you spot it, click on the three dots located next to that comment. This action will open a menu with several options for you to choose from. From this menu, select Report. You'll then be prompted to choose the purpose for your report. This could range from inappropriate content to harassment or spam. Make sure to select the option that best describes the issue at hand. After reporting the comment, you'll have an option to enable Block the User. This step is crucial if you want to prevent further interactions from this individual. Simply click on this option and then confirm by clicking Report again. By following these steps, you've successfully reported an inappropriate comment and blocked the user responsible for it. This not only helps maintain a positive environment on Pinterest, but also ensures that your feed remains free from unwanted negativity. Remember, taking control of your Pinterest experience is vital for enjoying all that this platform has to offer. By utilizing these reporting and blocking features, you're contributing to a safer and more respectful community for everyone. Thank you for watching.